I'm here at Broadway Avenue and Main Street again.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street, traveling east.
Okay. So the sign's supposed to be saying Broadway, not SR 595. I don't know why they just like put it right over there. But here's push button for walk sign right there. And yes, here it is. Here it is right there. And here's that Broadway Avenue sign.
Broadway Avenue, walk sign, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, what a glitchy timer. Alright, now this one, we'll be crossing Main Street again. And yes, you see, oh, that's fine. I'm going to tell you about what happened to the sign a little bit later. When I cross from over here.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main.
Oh yeah, this one is order. Okay, so right next to the Main Street sign, I'm crossing Broadway Avenue now. So what happened? So right next to the Main Street sign, there's once again, there's still no Broadway Avenue sign right there. You see that? Somebody took them down. I don't know what happened to that sign, or maybe the hurricane just like took it down for some reason. But let's go ahead and cross Main Street again. Just trying to make sure.
Wait. Wait to cross Main Street at Broadway Avenue. Wait. Traveling north.
Here's north right there.
Wait. Main Street. Walk sign is on to cross Main Street.
Alright, I guess this one's really quick. Alright, I think that's it then.